Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the typical processing time for a Bank of Singapore's credit card application. Now, a typical processing time for a credit card application is 5 to 14 business days. It can take longer if the application is incomplete or missing information. The application process usually includes visiting the bank's website or a branch, completing the application form, submitting the required document, and verifying your identity and waiting for the application to be processed. And likewise, some banks in Singapore offers instant digital card from certain credit cards. For example, Standard Chartered Bank offer instant digital bank card for Singaporeans and Singapore PRs who apply for certain credit cards using MyInfo. So this way you could go ahead and check the typical time processing for Bank of Singapore's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.